What's up, Tech Tigers? Today's video is a special one, specifically for the Sony Squad and everyone out there waiting for some serious spice in the tech world. Are you waiting for a phone that isn't just a device, but an absolute monster? A camera system that makes DSLRs nervous, and a performance beast that doesn't just compete with the future, it outclasses it. If you nodded yes, then you are definitely in the right place. Because today, we are unveiling the world's most advanced and highly anticipated smartphone, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8. That's right, guys, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8 is coming to shake up the market. Looking at these leaked specs, it feels like this phone isn't just coming for the Mark 7, it's coming to crush every flagship out there. So, without wasting a second, let's dive into the futuristic features that put this device on a whole new level. Let's get into it. Features of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8. Display and design. First impressions. This phone is going to grab your attention immediately. The design is premium and ergonomic. It won't just look stunning, it's going to feel incredibly comfortable in your hand. But let's talk about that screen. The Xperia 1 Mark 8 is rumored to rock a gorgeous 6.6-inch 4K HDR OLED display, paired with a massive 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you are into high-end gaming or binge-watching movies, you are getting a buttery smooth, immersive experience. The brightness and color accuracy. Top tier. It's basically bringing Sony's Bravia TV quality right into your pocket. Camera setup. Now, we know Sony's real identity is its camera system, and the Mark 8 is pulling no punches here. We are looking at an advanced triple camera setup. The star of the show is a massive 200-megapixel primary sensor with OIS, so expect insane results even in low light. You're also getting a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens that offers 5x optical zoom. This beast also supports professional features, like real-time eye autofocus, and object tracking, making it the perfect choice for photography and videography enthusiasts. Oh, and for the selfie lovers, you're getting a crisp 32-megapixel front shooter. Performance. Let's talk power. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8 is rumored to be equipped with Qualcomm's latest and most powerful chipset yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This processor isn't just perfect for heavy gaming, it's going to shred through multitasking and creative apps like video editors. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and starting storage options of 256 GB, you can store all your important data and apps without breaking a sweat. On the software side, it's shipping with the latest Android 16, blended with Sony's customized UI for a super fluid, clean experience. Battery backup. Battery life is make or break for a flagship, and the Mark 8 has got you covered. We are expecting a large 5000 mAh battery that can easily handle a full day of heavy usage. Plus, you get 30-watt fast charging and 15-watt Qi wireless charging support. So, whether you plug in or drop it on a pad, you'll be back to 100% quickly and back to grinding. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question: what is this going to cost? According to the leaks, this phone is positioned in the ultra-premium segment, with an expected price tag around $1,500. Of course, until we get the official announcement, we can't say for sure. As for the launch date, rumors point to a global launch in the coming months.